Differentiation. Let f be a function defined as a neighborhood of real numbers a. Then f is said to be a differentiable derivative or derivative if L limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a exists. The limit is called as derivative or differential coefficient at a. Then f dash of a is equal to limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus b. Okay, and limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, this is a definition. Now, there are two rules, UV rule and U by V rule. UV rule is nothing but U V dash plus V U dash. Instead of d by dx of du dv, I am writing dv by dx, I am writing v dash. Instead of dv by dx, I am writing v dash, and instead of du by dx, I am writing u dash. This is the product rule. Next, d by dx of u by v. So u v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay. Next is chain rule. dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx. This is the chain rule. So now we will learn differentiation in detail. So these are the formulas. Okay. So f dash of dy by dx is equal to 1 by dx by dy. And differentiation of c, that is constant, is 0. If I ask you to find the differentiation of 2, so d by dx of 2 will be 0. D by dx, differentiation of x power n will be n x power n minus 1. Differentiation of 1 by x will be minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. These are the formulas which you need to practice and memorize. Differentiation of 1 by root x will be minus 1 by 2x root x. Differentiation of a power x will be a power x log a. Differentiation of e power x will be e power x. Differentiation of log x will be 1 by x. So how can you remember this? This is log में लात मारी. So x log में लात मारी किसको? X को. So it becomes 1 by x. Understood? Now differentiation of sine is cos. Cos is minus sine. Tan is secant square. Cot is minus cosecant square. So similarly, you have to learn all these formulas. How many formulas are there? There are total 36 formulas. So if you learn 6 formulas in a day, so within 6 days you will be perfect in all the formulas. So make sure to learn 6 formulas per day. Okay? Now, find the derivative of the following function. F of x is equal to 5 sine x plus e power x log x. This function is given to us. We have to find the differentiation of this function. So, differentiation of 5 sine x will be, phi is a constant but it is in multiplication. So, we will write phi outside. Differentiation of sine x will be cos x. So, phi cos x. Differentiation of e power x log x. So e power x log x is in the form of u v. So what is the formula of u v? U v dash plus v u dash. u v dash plus v u dash. So differentiation, so e power x, that is u, v dash, that is log x, plus v, that is log x, then u dash, that is differentiation of e power x. So that will be e power x by x plus e power x log x. So finally it will be 5 cos x plus e power x by x plus e power x log x. Okay. So here we are applying u v dash plus v u dash formula. Next, if f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus till x power 100, then find f of 1, f dash of 1. So this is given to us. Now differentiation of 1 will be 0, differentiation of x will be 1, differentiation of x square will be 2x, differentiation of x square is 2x. How? Differentiation of x power n will be n x power n minus 1. N x power n minus 1. So differentiation of x square will be x to x. Differentiation of x square will be 2x. Similarly, differentiation of x power 100 will be 100x power 99. Okay, at x is equal to 1, if you substitute 1 plus 2 plus till 100, so we can apply the sigma formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So we'll get the answer as 5050. Okay, or we can also add it directly, no problem, 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 100. But the simple way is to use this formula. This formula is taken from mathematical induction. That chapter is omitted for us, so we don't have to learn that chapter, but you can use this formula. Okay. Next, find the derivative of the function sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So first of all, here we are going to use which rule? We will be using chain rule. This function y is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube is given to us. Now x is equal to sine theta. So we will substitute over here x is equal to sine theta because sine inverse is given to us. So instead of x, if I substitute sine theta, I will get it as 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is nothing but sine 3 theta. So this sine theta, sine inverse will get cancelled. Sine theta can be written as sine inverse of x. Send this sine to that side, then theta will be equal to